Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get rid of ticking noises in your derailleur, which is caused because of the dirt which is collected at in between those teeth, which then causes the chain to skip the beat. Yeah. So all you need is a lubricant spray and a brush. So what you want to do is you just want to give some spray on the derailleur, and then you want to brush it. Yeah, just brush in between those teeth to get rid of those excess dirt in between those teeth. Just get rid of all those excess dirt and move on to the next one. And after you are done with cleaning in between those things, just give it some lubricant and you should be good. And there would be no any sort of ticking noises in your chain after cleaning it. And that's how you fix those ticking noises. Thank you.